EKON Stainless Steel Backsplash. Protect, organize and upgrade your kitchen in style. Tired of scrubbing grease splatters off your walls? Say hello to the EKON Stainless Steel Backsplash, your kitchen's new best friend. Designed to fit perfectly behind your stove, this heat-resistant, ultra-durable shield blocks oil, steam, and food splatters like a boss. No more repainting or scrubbing, just wipe it down, and boom, your kitchen stays spotless. Why waste time on endless cleaning when you can upgrade to effortless maintenance? Made from high-grade 430 stainless steel, this brushed finish backsplash resists scratches, heat, and everyday wear and tear. Unlike flimsy wall protectors that warp over time, this bad boy is built to last. It's sturdy, rust-resistant, and sleek, adding a professional touch to your kitchen while ensuring long-lasting protection. Plus, it's magnetic. Stick notes, timers, or small gadgets directly onto it. Who knew a backsplash could be this smart? DIY friendly? Absolutely. With 4 pre-drilled holes and included screws, you can mount it securely in minutes. Don't want to drill? Use adhesive for an easy, no-damage installation. Whether you rent or own, this backsplash fits your lifestyle. No complicated instructions, no calling in a handyman, just a quick install and instant kitchen upgrade. Why struggle with messy renovations when this sleek solution is right here? A backsplash that practically cleans itself? Close enough. The smooth stainless steel surface wipes down in seconds, no scrubbing, no stains, no stress. Oil splatter? Gone. Sauce stains? No problem. Just grab a cloth, give it a quick wipe, and enjoy a sparkling clean kitchen without the elbow grease. Other backsplashes trap dirt and grime, but this one? It's your shortcut to a spotless space. More than just a backsplash, this genius kitchen upgrade comes with a built-in storage shelf and hanging rack for your spices, utensils, and must-have tools. Keep everything within arm's reach while freeing up counter space. No more digging through drawers, just grab, cook, and impress. Affordable, chef-approved, and ridiculously practical, this kitchen essential is worth every penny. Protect your walls, organize your space, and cook like a pro. What are you waiting for?